Yeah, man, we say BLYZN, man, we say Portmore, definitely. You see me out here, you never be syndicate records with them, you know? Full enough for the lead out, definitely. Yeah. Pepper TV. That's Pepper TV. But anyhow, Pepper TV just tell them nothing can stick on the beat here. When they made this kick off a road, then them know start BLYZN, the lyric and the creature feature this. Pan clip of this headshot, pin miss, that thing in them down. Alright, put it up, I don't want to find that. Don't drop it. Right, man, and nothing then the lyrically incline tell me who shut a road, who chat bad song, who write your rubbish lyrics tell me who flap a road. Well and tight, me say we yet on that alone. We artists if it is strap a road. We artists have lyric shot but not around, but in a song, but in a real life as a known killer, no physically thing still. As a known gal is in a every corner, me have gal a roam, gal alone. Me have gal at home, gal in a country, but then me have gal at town. You have to hear me say we yet on that alone, gal we bleach out still me have gal at town. Fire for the man where you walk and look somebody for rape on him, gal at home, hide and seek. The find lyrically body poison and grammar zone. Cock up your ears and no one listen. Man, music loud like the Bama sound. I'm a style, I'm a swagger, I alone, I'm a splash on. Make the girls them come around, man, I come around. And that alone like me. Wish artists make the most baggage rap around. And I rhyme alone, make me take the boy, girl again, I'm mine now, my girl, I'm mine alone. Loving, she want never Kyle alone, she was in at the palace. I man one girl with teeth, girl, we in a designers, one girl with big girl with all well tight as one. No kazoo, no donkey with all type as one. The mount a girl with I one on. We keep girl relay, never live in the car alone, girl quiet, girl well loud, if you mind at one, girl big, girl marker like web, but despite the phone come on my yard when they vibe my home. Hey, right rhymes and then the lyrically inclined tell me who shut a road, who chat bad song, who write me rubbish lyrics tell me who flap a road. Well and tight, me say we yet on that alone. Wish artists if it is strap a room, wish artists have lyric shot but not around, but in a song, but in a real life as a known killer, no physically thing still as a known girl is in a every corner. Me have girl a room, girl alone. OT girl at home, girl in a country, but then me have girl at town. You have to hear me say we yet on that alone, girl we bleach out still me have girl at town. Fire for the man where you walk and look somebody for rape on him, girl at home. Fully now.
Hey, if the man BLYZN right now, make some nice to the artists. Forward there, some BLYZN, they excited here. Yeah, go on, sir. Hey, Nero, what do you think about BLYZN performance? Boy, me I tell you, how am I going? All right, look.
All right, for me, it's still kind of hard to hear exactly what I say, but I kind of slow myself down to pay attention to exactly what I try to say still. You understand? But
turn down the beat.
If you understand music on an international level, it's the more you compact your lyrics, it's harder for persons on the wider scale to understand. Me hear what you say still, but certain parts I couldn't hear, and you don't want that because you get my attention when they start the song, but when they start getting the I say, hold on there. I have to go rewind and I couldn't do it because it's live. You understand? So always remember, sometimes the compact lyrics don't really work. You understand? Sometimes you realize the song they may bust the biggest in the world. Sometimes you hear one phrase or song, then the next 3 minutes you hear one next phrase. You know what I'm talking about still, but yeah. It's a goal for me, said we, as the creativity within the song. We know exactly what I say already, so the subconscious tell me already. See?
All right, so you heard from the judge himself, Nero. All right, so I'm going to move on to our general. You know what I mean? Because I see lyrics kicking like a ball over here, so trust me. All right, BLYZN, Arrow.
Yeah. Lyrics in overdrive, my general. Lyrics in overdrive. You see me I deal with? But at that again, the rhythm probably just need more space for the eye fit all the lyrics within the rhythm. You see me I deal with? Because the eye says some whole heap of things. You see me I deal with? But at the same time, for the one stage show, when you even have to make a reach so far, you don't tell the place already. Yes. You connect from certain lines from the intro. Remember, we know the thing, you know. You see me I deal with? But at the same time, you want the song for, even if you don't connect from in the first half, you still can't catch them in a middle-like song same way. Still give them one in a them organ. You know yard man? You see me I deal, so me I say, the song tough. You see me I deal with? To me personally, I don't like them type of trap rhythm. You see me I deal with? I rate how the item can trap and DJ and mix it and fuse it. But me just not rate the rhythm them because it make you forced to do things like this. But at the same time, the eye bad, no way mado, and me can take an eye out of the page, a page out of the iBook same way. You see me? Alright them.
Alright, so remember, just continue to vote. Remember, we're going to go to some tickets, so you don't know where it go. Yes, don't move, Mama.
Before you
yes,
leave,
Kisha.
though you are saying a lot, one thing I did hear in your song was fire, the rape. The rape. And to me, that stood out to me significantly because I thought, no, I'm really got deep in that thing. He's thinking of what's going on in the society and how wrong it is. And though he's a man, and many men sometimes just kind of brush off whatever another man do. Him said, no, the thing not right. Him said, look at oh, if I have your woman in your yard and you're going to rape. What happened to the woman in your yard? So that was really something that I realize I have a lot to offer, and I can't wait to hear the rest. I swear.
All right, Keisha, thank you for that.